Yummy. What was this called, Lisa? The lava?
Lava flow.
Lava flow. Yeah. I had to get my lava on. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Upload. Have to get a camera. No, a camera? No, a hammer. And to do this weekend. He tries to get out of the man duties and not letting him. At all, darlings. At all. So I'm going to get some hedgehog blades. What here? This is them. Is it? Yes. This right here. To Two Worlds. Where's the hammer? Where's the hammer time? Where's the hammer? Mother Fresh needs a hammer. Okay? Where's the hammers in this joint?
So, you know how to stop at the thrift store. I just thought these jeans were like everything. I love embellished jeans. Like, they're my everything. Like, if those were my size, I would have definitely bought them. And I would have rocked them, honey. And this dress, y'all. Look at this dress. It was just like, oh my goodness. 80s fabulousness. Like, that couldn't get any more 80s. I mean, die, you know? Like, I wanted to buy it, but it was like $30. I didn't know if, like... Then I had to treat myself to get my toes did, y'all. And I brought my sausage and biscuit, honey. And she was asking me what I got to eat. Anyway.
Like some people on YouTube. I wonder who that is. Anyway, yeah, but I had like platinum blonde hair when I was born, and my eyebrows are just like a dirty blonde, and now my hair is like dirty blonde, but it gets darker with age, I guess. But yes, I was a natural born blonde. So I'm a natural blonde, baby. Okay, I better go. Ooh, that is a dude. Damn, he's skinny. What? He is going to get his nails done at the shop. Why didn't you come in when I was there? Shit. I gotta go, peeps. I've been gone for like hours. My husband fixing me drink. Cheers, baby. This is another Goodwill find. It's huge. I'm going to be putting it in the corner here. I just wanted to incorporate and show you how I use all of my things that I get from Goodwill and make my house so unique. So here's one of them. I paid $14.99 for this. This is brass. This is like some kind of metal. It's huge. When I get it on the wall, I think you'll be able to see how big it is. Added the fork back, which I don't know. This come out crooked. But that's what that wall looks like. And see, I have a spoon up there, so I don't know. I like eclectic things, so I'm probably going to start putting little silhouettes over here too, just because I like silhouettes, and this was hanging there before. These. I have two of those, but I am no longer going to be using these here. And they're hella dirty, so, but I just thought I'd share that with you. I thought it was just like amazing find. To me, I love it. It's medieval, and I always think I'm a queen anyway, so. Thanks, guys. See you later.
So I picked up this at Goodwill as well. It's like a little curio cabinet that I'm going to put in my curio cabinet to put my little tiny crystals in, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But I've picked up this little trinket box as well. I thought it was so cute. It's really pretty, and it's a lot brighter in person, but it's enameled. I just thought it was cute. It was 99 cents. I got it at Goodwill, and I love it. So, yeah, so I'm going to put that in my curio cabinet, and it's going to be awesome. It was $1.99. And here's the curio cabinet. I have a lot of little tiny little animals and little crystals. And I did record it, but I lost it, I guess, the footage. But I put it in there. And I'm just going to show you. This I got from Goodwill. I thought it was really cool. It's acrylic, and it's a oil barrel, and it's got an oil rig at the top, and that's real oil inside there. I guess it was like an executive gift or something. It was really cool. I got that at Goodwill. I don't know how much I paid for it, but all of these things are pretty much from Goodwill, like really cute things. Little crystal stuff. The little cake and the mouse and this little teddy bear. So cute. And
Beautiful deer eating. So cute. I want to open the store so bad, but they'll run away. Who's having a snack? She's having a snack. Yes, she is.
so this has been what I've found dumpster diving lately. There's some cleaning supplies, some lotions, some headphones, some room spray, coffee, Himalayan stuff, and yeah.